First thing first, I must say, you do need a diary. Hi there, Dumelang Sanbunani, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Ntazira Pito, and I'd like to welcome you back in this YouTube channel. Thank you very much for coming back. If you're new to this channel, let me tell you, in this channel we focus on education, fitness, and faith. And if you would like to sign up to that type of a content, please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like this video, and please do not forget to comment and to share with your friends and your study partners. In this today's YouTube video, we focus on education. And as you have seen that today's video is about having a diary, the importance of having a diary, the importance of having a year planner. Happy 2024, by the way. Happy new academic year. I hope that you are excited and you are ready. Let's get to it. So this is what I have in hand. It's a 2024 diary, and I'd like to share with you how I'm going to make use of it in this year's academic year. So first thing first, the one thing that is important in my diary is a year planner. I have a year planner here in my diary whereby it's divided in months from January to December. We have 12 months. I know that December, January, basically I don't count them. So we actually have, let's say, 10 months of 2024 of an academic year, right? So it's only take 10 months for you to get over and done with 2024 academic year. Yeah, let's be excited. Either you're a first year, you are a second year, you are a final year, or you are a fourth year. It doesn't matter, but let's make use of this diary right here. So what I have here, it's I went to my UNISA, I logged into my modules, and after I logged into my modules, I went to my admin and then to the assignment tab, whereby my assignments are written there. So already it's the beginning of the year. I know that for sure I have about 26 assignments that I am sure of. Obviously, I'm not sure of the dates. You know, dates, they are adjusted throughout the year. But I know that I have 26 assignments, and in that way, I can be able to plan my year accordingly. First thing first, January, February, it's registrations. The semester registrations, they are closing on the 19th of Feb, and then followed by the year modules, right? So from March, I have 2 assignments. April, I have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 8 assignments. May, I have 5 assignments. June, I have 4 assignments. July, I have 4 assignments also. August, I have 2 assignments. September, I have 1 assignment. All of them, they are equal to 26 assignments that I am aware of throughout this academic year. For sure. Done. We are moving forward. So this is how my diary is going to help me. Already, each and every month, beginning of the year, of the month, which is the first of every month, I go to my diary, I check. What does my year plan says? Okay, February, 2 assignments. Now let me prepare for those. Sometimes I might need to prepare a month before because I realize that the first assignments that I have, the due date is on the 1st of March. So obviously, if I started the 1st of March, it's late already, right? So it means that by the 20th of February, I'm going to start. So that's how I make use of my diary in my year planner. As much as you can have a diary on your phone, but you can never go wrong with hard copy. So another thing is that my diary, it has got times. So if I have time on my diary, I know that I have time, go to work, come back from work, and then my study timetable starts. I prepare my diary, my daily plan the day before, which is my advice to you guys, that you need to prepare the day before. You need to prepare a month before. You need to make sure that you try to submit at least a week before, because anything can happen. What if you realize that something that you submitted, you might need to omit it? So if you submit on the day of the due date, that might be late. So that is something very, very important that I wanted to share with you. It's something small, but I know it will have a great impact, right? We need to plan our things. You need to have a year planner in place. You need to have a diary in place. Good for you if it's everything, it's in one book, right? So it means that you need this book every day. You need to have a look at it. You need to check it. Sometimes you might even put things that are not really about your studies, but about something important in your life. So that's what I wanted to share, that let's have diaries this year. Let's be the A students that we are used to be. Let us make education fun. Let us make academic fun. Let us enjoy our studies, guys. Remember, it is a journey. The next thing you realize, it's over. Real issues comes. Now you have to work. Enough about studies and stuff, right? So in the meantime, let us be happy. Let us be excited. That's all I wanted to share. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that we can all be a student. Ciao.